Welcome to our video on fighting cancer. Cancer is a major global health concern, and it's important that we stay informed about the disease in order to protect our health and that of our loved ones. In this video, we'll explore the causes, risk factors, and, most importantly, the steps we can take to prevent cancer. So sit back and get ready to learn more about how we can fight this devastating disease together. Cancer is a disease in which abnormal cells divide and grow uncontrollably into healthy tissue. Some keywords related to cancer include oncology, tumor, metastasis, treatment, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, surgery, immunotherapy, prevention, stages. What is cancer? Cancer is a complex and heterogeneous disease that can affect various body tissues. It is caused by the abnormal and uncontrollable multiplication of cells. There are many different types of cancer, including lung cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, cervical cancer, colon cancer, among others. Each type of cancer is unique and has its own characteristics, symptoms, and treatments. Risk factors. Some risk factors for developing cancer include age, family history, smoking habits, radiation exposure, nutrient-poor diet, and insufficient physical activity. Symptoms. Cancer symptoms vary depending on the type and location of the disease, but can include weight loss, pain, tiredness, changes in the skin and digestive system, among others. Diagnosis. Diagnosis of cancer usually involves a combination of tests, including blood tests, biopsy, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and computed tomography, CT. Treatment. Cancer treatment depends on the type and stage of the disease, and may include surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, targeted therapies, and immunotherapy. Prevention. Cancer prevention includes a healthy lifestyle, such as maintaining a balanced diet, avoiding smoking, practicing regular physical activity, and undergoing preventive exams. The exact origin of the cancer is unknown, but it is believed to be the result of a combination of factors, including genetics, environmental factors, and lifestyle. Cancer arises when there is damage to cells, such as mutations in DNA, which lead to uncontrolled growth and the formation of tumors. Exposure to environmental factors such as smoking, radiation, pollution, and poor diet can increase the risk of DNA damage and cancer development. In addition, age is also an important factor, since the incidence of cancer increases with age due to the accumulation of DNA damage over a lifetime. In summary, the cause of cancer is complex and involves a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Cancer can occur at any age, but the incidence increases with age. Most types of cancer are more common at older ages, especially after age 50. However, some cancers, such as childhood cancer, occur more often in children and young people. It is important to highlight that although age is an important risk factor, cancer can also occur in younger people. Therefore, it is important to be aware of symptoms and take preventive exams regularly, regardless of age. There is no single way to prevent cancer, but there are some measures that can help reduce the risk of developing the disease. Some tips include: maintain a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help prevent cancer. Avoid processed foods that are high in sugars and fats. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight and obese is associated with an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Get regular physical activity. Regular physical activity can help control weight, improve health, and reduce the risk of cancer. Avoid smoking. Smoking is the leading preventable cause of cancer and increases the risk of many types of cancer, including lung, mouth, and throat cancer. Avoid excessive exposure to the sun. Excessive exposure to the sun can increase the risk of skin cancer. Use sunscreen and avoid exposure to the sun during the hottest hours of the day. Get regular screenings. Get regular screenings, such as mammograms, colonoscopies, and prostate exams, as directed by your doctor, to detect any signs of cancer early. Remember that cancer prevention is a combination of many factors, including a healthy lifestyle and regular screening. The cancer that most affects humans varies depending on geographic region and age group, but some of the most common types of cancer include: leading cause of death from cancer. Breast cancer. It is the second most common type of cancer among women. Lung cancer. It is the most common type of cancer worldwide and in women. Colon and rectum cancer. It is one of the most common types of cancer worldwide. Prostate cancer. It is the most common type of cancer among men. Stomach cancer. It is another type of cancer that is common all over the world. Liver cancer. It is one of the most common types of cancer worldwide, especially in Asia. The most common types of cancer can vary from country to country, depending on factors such as dietary habits, exposure to risk factors, and access to quality health services. It is important to highlight that the risk of developing cancer can be minimized through a healthy lifestyle and regular preventive exams. It is not possible to say that one gender is more vulnerable to cancer than the other, as both can develop the disease. However, some cancers are more common in men, while others are more common in women. For example, prostate cancer is more common in men, while breast cancer is more common in women. Factors such as age, family history, lifestyle, and exposure to risk factors can also influence the risk of developing cancer. It is important to highlight that anyone can develop cancer, regardless of gender, and that prevention is important for everyone, including regular screening and adopting a healthy lifestyle. There is no single food that can prevent cancer alone, but a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and lean proteins can help reduce your risk of developing the disease. Some specific foods and nutrients that may be beneficial include: fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help protect cells from cellular damage. Whole grains contain fiber and antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of cancer. Legumes, especially green ones like broccoli, kale, and spinach, which contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lean proteins, such as fish, chicken, and beans, which are rich in important nutrients and help maintain a healthy weight. Foods rich in folic acid, such as dark leafy greens, citrus fruits, and beans, which can help protect cells from cellular damage. Foods rich in lycopene, such as tomatoes, melons, and peaches, which can help protect cells from cellular damage. At the same time, it's important to avoid or limit your consumption of processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars, which can increase your risk of cancer. The ideal diet can vary from person to person, and it is always recommended to consult a health professional for personalized recommendations. It is not possible to determine a single country that has the highest number of cancer deaths, as the incidence of the disease varies widely between countries and depends on factors such as the prevalence of risk factors, access to quality health care and prevention programs, and effective treatment. However, cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and the number of cancer deaths has increased in many countries due to aging populations and changes in lifestyle. Some developed countries have higher cancer mortality rates, while some developing countries have lower rates, but the general trend is upward worldwide. It is important to highlight that prevention, early diagnosis, and adequate treatment of cancer can help save lives, and it is important that health authorities, health professionals, and people take measures to prevent and control the disease. We hope this video was informative and gave you a better understanding of cancer and how we can fight it. Remember, prevention is the key to a healthy, cancer-free life. Don't underestimate the power of a diet balance, regular exercise, and healthy habits. If you or someone you know is facing cancer, know that treatments are available and that you are not alone. Let's fight cancer together. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel.